So I mounted this little Kaiser Baas X400 on the hood of the Roxor. It has image stabilization in it. I was actually thoroughly impressed. You can see the fender and the hood floating in these pictures. That's the camera stabilizing it. I've used gimbals mostly for other stuff. I am thoroughly impressed with this little thing. You can see when the Roxor twists and turns, the camera actually stays quite level. I mounted it down on the front bumper to get a shot of the wheels. And I'm impressed. I do have to say impressed. $179 for this camera. Mounted on the Roxor, waterproof. I liked it. I'm gonna have to play with it a bit more to figure out some of the other stuff on it. It has the image stabilization. It has different fields of view, and yeah, actually, I'm impressed.